How to invite someone on Trello board 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to invite someone on Trello board 2024. So first of all, just simply open the Trello account and open the workplace where you want to add people in this particular board. So for example, I want to add members in this particular board, so I'm going to invite someone. So in order to invite that person, just simply click on the share icon from the top right corner of the screen, and over here you just simply have to paste the email address of the person you want to invite. So for example, I have pasted right here. You can see that there are already 4 members in this particular board. So just simply click on share, and an invite will be sent to this particular person. You can see that the account has not been created, so this person has to create the Trello account, and as soon as they create the Trello account, they just simply have to accept the invite that you have just sent to this person. They will receive an invite in their email address, so they have to join the board from there. So this is how simple it is to invite someone on Trello board. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.